Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video. I decided to do a chatty get ready with me. I just have some new products that I want to show you guys. If you're new, subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm gonna wear my little pink my burst headband. It's so cute. Like, it looks like a little croissant and it just matches my couch, so we're gonna wear it. Okay, so now we're up close and personal. So I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. I think it's the Liquid Touch foundation. I'm in the shade 230N, but I do think it's a little yellow for me. But we're still gonna use it. I've just taken like some Kevin Aquan makeup tips. I just put foundation where I feel like I need it. I don't put it on my forehead anymore. I barely put any makeup on my forehead. So I'm gonna go in with this Lancome concealer. It's the Tint Idole Ultra Wear. This is amazing. I did not expect it to be this good. I'm in the shade 260, at least I think I am. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this concealer to like brighten my under eye. Yeah. Sometimes I will just go with this concealer and like not even put foundation on. It's a little pink. My concealers are a little pink compared to my foundation. I literally forgot to get like a foundation brush, but now I have it. Now I'm gonna go in with this Lancome concealer, another one in the shade 460-09. It's a little too warm for me, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just gonna do like a little drop. It's very pigmented. Sometimes I go a little overboard. We're blending out my bronzer. I'm gonna go in with one of these little sponge wedges I got from Target. I remember my mom using this all the time whenever she did her makeup. So after I blended this bronzer, I like to go in with this One Size Bronze and Sculpt Trio. It is in the shade Made for Shade, so it's like the second shade, I think, second lightest. It has like a warmer shade for the bronze, at least I think it's for bronze, and then it has like cooler tones, and then it has like one that kind of like brightens a little bit. I like to layer them all on because I just think it looks really nice. I love the color and I love the packaging. I'm gonna layer my blush. I'm gonna use two products. I'm gonna use a cream formula and then I'm gonna layer it on with a powder formula. So I'm gonna go in with this Merit Beverly Hills Flush Balm. I love, and it's literally almost done. I love the color. I do like that it looks very natural. I'm just gonna pat it in with a sponge just to make sure it's all blended out. I've been loving my Dior Rosy Glow blush. I did not believe the hype at first. I've known about this blush since like 2020 because I had my makeup done. If you guys haven't watched that video, I got my makeup done by a makeup artist and she was super awesome and she used like really good products on me. This blush was one of them and I was like, what? Why are we using such a pink blush? But now I get it. I've been using this Morphe X Ariel brush. It's the like highlighting brush, but I've been using it for blush. I just like swoop it over like that. Sometimes it feels like you're not getting any pigment on your face, but then I go overboard and then I look so pink. that's the blush. It looks super good. I like that blushy rosy glow. I want to get the floral edition of this one next time. I just love the packaging. It's very small, it's very convenient. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on. I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty setting powder. It's in the shade Light. I've used this again before on my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna put it on with a little sponge again, the same one I already used. I'm just gonna use the clean side, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. I just like to pat it where I look a bit oily, and I just like to mattify it a little bit. I've been super busy with school lately, and so much homework. I just started my spring semester and I already can't wait for it to end. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this Merit Day Glow highlighting balm in the shade Citrine. This is a new one of theirs from last year, from last summer. It's like a very gold highlighter. It reminds me a lot of like the Glossier Halo Balms, I think it's called. I don't remember anymore. But yeah, it's very creamy, and I just like rubbing it on my finger a little bit to warm it up, and I just pat it on my finger. So my camera is literally too heavy for my tripod because I don't have the proper tripod with me. So now I'm going to go in with this Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I just use this whenever I'm wearing makeup or before finishing off with mascara, eyebrow gel, lip products, whatever. It just smells like pool water. It's pretty good. I mean, it hydrates my skin, but it does smell like pool water. Now I'm going to go in with this Kosas Airbrow brow gel. I love this thing. I've been using it for since last summer, and I think it's pretty great. I probably would buy a clear version of this next time, but I just like using it on my eyebrows because if you don't know, I don't get my eyebrows on anymore. I stopped getting them threaded years ago, before COVID, I think, 2019. I stopped getting them threaded because I just hated how my eyebrows looked. I like how much softer my eyebrows look now. They're not like super harsh. They look so horrible when I got them done. If you look at pictures of me, I just don't like how they looked. And I felt like it just made them look even more asymmetrical than what they already are. So for eyeshadow, I think I'm going to use this Lancome Hypnose palette. It's in the Smoky Chic palette. And it has this gorgeous silvery chrome color that I used in a TikTok tutorial, and it just looks perfect. It's very disco-esque kind of style or aesthetic. I'm gonna go in with that shade. It's the one right in the center. I'm just gonna get it with my finger and I'm just gonna apply it like that. And it's super glittery, and I just love it. It's kind of like a lid topper, but it also has a lot of fallout, so be careful with that. Now that I've added that product, I'm going to go in with this Apple Doll Fairy Wand in the shade Clove, and it's it's kind of like a brow pencil, not gonna lie, it looks like it. But it's just a little eyeliner, pencil, crayon, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to line my top lid with it a little bit. So I blended out that eyeliner. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the deep bronze shade from my One Size palette. And I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth to my eyes. Before mascara, I'm going to go in with this Lancome Cils Booster XL. It is a mascara primer, so I definitely have been enjoying using this a lot. I just like to apply a little layer of this before applying mascara. Now that my eyelashes are dry, I'm gonna go in with this Lancome Idole Lash mascara. I love Lancome mascaras. I just like to apply a very thin layer of mascara on. I try not to look up when my mascara is still wet. Whenever like I look up, my eyelashes smack against my eyelids, so they end up going straight sometimes. The last two products I want to use are from Merit, and it's the Signature Lip and the Shade Slick. Shade Slick is one of my favorite products from Merit. I feel like it's very underrated as a lip oil. I think I'm going to go in with the lip oil first. I would rather just put lip oil first to hydrate the lips, and then I like to apply the lipstick so that it doesn't stain my little doe foot applicator, my lip oil. The signature lip color I got was 1990, which is like a rich cocoa brown. And it is just so beautiful. Like, I love it. It's so 90s. I also just love the packaging of this lipstick. It gives me very vintage vibes from the shape of the lipstick and the little packaging. This is the lip color. I just think it looks super cute. I'm gonna take this off now. My makeup looks super cute. I love the lipstick. Lip oil is always in my handbag all the time. So this is all for my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to make more videos like these for you guys because I really miss them and I just really love the vibe. It's just me sitting down and talking to you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video.